Yo, 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 guys, it's the Hater Slayer. Well, that voice breakup. Anyways, yeah, it's one of guys. I'm gonna show you guys something real quick. This is gonna be a short video. Fact. 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 Yeah, I'm just gonna make. Fact. Yeah, and I'm just gonna be making a quick little small video, and this is found this thing off some random on Google Play. I decided to try it. I may not be a dog, but this thing could probably do something. What? Shut up. Hey. Ow. Alright, and, I'm just gonna say right away, if I do post this on YouTube, warning, because this is gonna hurt. I wouldn't recommend putting it on full volume. I have to, because otherwise you guys won't hear it, but don't put it on full volume, please, and I wouldn't recommend putting it headphones on. So we're gonna first start at 100 hertz. Okay, so I could barely hear it out of my Ow. No. Ow, ow, ow. So I want to see how far I could go up to. So I'm gonna try 18,000 hertz. Ow! That's loud. That's. Oh man. If you put this up to your head, oh man, it feels like a drill going up to your head. I'm gonna be quiet for a second so you guys can hear it, okay? Hold on. Let me just. Yeah, so that was it. I don't know if you guys heard it or not. I hope you did. Yeah, I just wanted to show you this. It says dog whistle, but I don't understand because I have 3 dogs. And in some of my videos, I showed them. You only saw 2, but my dog had puppies, so I only had one. Sadly, I don't know how, but just only one puppy. So sad, but I'm happy. So yeah, it don't work. I've tried it. That one had to. Can I? Wait. Holy. Ow! Sounds like the ones on Vines. Oh, son of a. Wait, what if you. Oh, man. Oh, no. No! 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 Stop! What is that, a purse? What is a dog carrying? A purse? Is it like a weird, like, Tiny Box Tim thing? What is that? Alright, yeah, I just want to show you that real quick. I don't care. Free play. Yeah, so I recommend you guys should try this. Not trying to advertise or anything, but yeah, if you guys ever want to prank a friend or something, you should do this. Now, this is the Hater Slayer signing out saying,